Okay, what's up? So since the last update or the last video I posted about Aurafy, the trading journal, completely free, uh, there's changed a lot of new updates. So I wanted to make a video on that. Let's do it. Okay, so first of all, on the website right now, we added a Discord, which is very nice. Also, I'm just going to mention the stuff that will impact the user. So here I had a couple of people, they were worried about malicious intent, viruses, stuff like that. And so what we did was we did a max scan on virus total, which is the biggest malicious slash virus finder. It uses like over I don't know what it is, like over 40 or whatever virus scanners. And so we did both. We did that both for the Mac version and the Windows version. So you can take a look at those here and see that no security event is flagged, blah blah blah. If that's something that you were on the edge with, then also added buy me a coffee, since it is free and we don't charge any money. Uh, you could buy a coffee here, but what I would actually prefer is if you just used our affiliate link, which we will get to for prop firms. Anyways, that was on the website side of things. Here I created a Discord, no members as of yet. So if you want it, you can simply press here on the Discord icon on the website and you will be taken to the Discord, Aurafy it's called. Alternatively, you can do that in the app right here, join Discord, or you can do that on my YouTube channel right here. It says Aurafy Discord free. So you can join here, and that's the Discord. Boom, bam, everything is set up, nice and whatever, nice and neat. Then to the actual updates within the app. So we now have a prop firm section, and the only partners we have currently is Alpha Futures, but we still have the other prop firms that we know are credible and that do pay out here as well listed. And yeah, basically, it's better for us if you don't buy us a coffee. Instead, you just use our prop firm link, and it's better for you too, because we make money and you just save on evals, which you would have saved on anyways. So you just use our link as kind of a thank you thingy. And then also on the dashboard here, the little calendar, this was actually feedback from a user. Now when you press on it, like so, all the trades that you took on that day will show here, as well as any potential journal within the trade. So we made that kind of smoother, which is nice. The webcam now has camera mode, which like exactly the way I'm recording now. It's implemented into Aurafy itself, so you can record your trading sessions exactly like I do. Just pause them here or stop them completely here, and then just save them, which is very very nice. And yeah, that's everything for the recording thing. Then statistics, yeah, same thing added here for these kind of calendar things. If you press down on here, you see all the trades taken on that day. And if you press on one of those trades, you come to the trade where you can see your notes for that specific trades, for that specific trade, I mean. And then also any potential linked recordings to that trade, which will be linked automatically. And then what is also nice, there was a bug before that when you hovered over this was white. Now it's transparent, which is very nice. Then if we continue down here, we added a feedback section for you guys to send us feedback. So you can send us feedback, feature requests, or bug reports, and you just it's very easy. You just type here whatever you want to put the feedback on or whatever it's called. You just click send, and then you send it to us. Here you can also leave a review if you want, always 5 stars, please. And yeah, that's it for this section. And also we added that updates are automatically, oh well, it's auto updated, the software, so you don't have to reinstall the whole software again. it automatically gets updated. Yeah, whatever. And then so it checks for update every 30 minutes, or you can manually check for updates right here and manually update. So if you click here, then on the it would just be like this. And if you close the application and then open it up, it will have the new update. Then if we go here, join Discord, it's essentially the join Discord link, the buy me a coffee link, and just import trades. And here you can see the version you're currently running. So yeah, I think that is everything. We fixed a couple of bugs and stuff, made the whole process a little bit smoother. Also added the bulk deletion of trades in settings right here, and also in trade log. So you can just click up here, which selects all the trades. I only have 2 currently, and then just delete up here, which will delete the 2 trades. And yeah, I think that is everything. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you guys like the software so far. I think we have 30 people using it, 30 users. So yeah, it's very nice. It's all local. I don't really know exactly how many users there are. I can just guess from the amounts of downloads and subtract my own downloads, which are quite a few. So yeah, I think around 30 users plus minus a few. So it's really good. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye.